they're making it rain. They can't afford us now. Jump on their jet, switching borders now. Wrote me off when I was 17. Fast forward, they're my employees now. Welcome to the fucking future. This, that, like that I'm getting used to. I do whatever I choose to. Fake friends I will never lose to. I am bound to a briefcase. I'm on the run, that's a speed chase. New living, it's that new phase. Already begun, it's that new age. Yeah, they can't hold us back. We on another level. Yeah, it's that new age, ain't it something special? Yeah, we gon' change the game. We gon' live forever. Yeah, it's that new age. It's that new age.
Fuck you, big boy with that big brew. Big boy, how I come through. Big boy with that brand new, cause I'm killing it. Going balone in my rollie, so holy. Trophy I go with, go stone in my bowling. Doing my homie, no phone to show me. I am a legend, rolling. You're looking timorous. Looking close to the start like you're Icarus. I'm impulsive with shit that I'm dealing with. I go fucking berserk when I'm hearing this. Hey, I'm so candy with the flow. Making money on the go. Girls around me 1 or 3. 2 girls licking on the D. I'm the one to really be. This is a madness. This is a madness, I'm kicking the door off the hinge. This is the new age and I am the pioneer. See them pressing with that riot gear. Motherfucker, I'm over this. I'm here making the moves to take over this. I drink bellies, don't care if you're polar this. I'm no Milli Vanilli, I'm pretty when he was the king of his city. Not here to be pretty now. Man, then wherever this nigga go. Change up the mood with my aura glow. Bust up the shoe, the Wakanda switch. Marvel moves on that LA bitch. See no passing, CDM, new age dawn. Know that I'm never gone. Know that I'm never gone.